guys, welcome to a new video. So today we are going to talk about how to create an awesome desktop background like this one. So before getting into the content, do not forget to subscribe to my channel and like this video. And you can put a comment in the comment box down below. So first I open my Photoshop. After that click on create new, and in the document your width should be 19 into 20 and height should be 10 into 80, and after that click create. So as the next step you should choose the rectangle tool and make a rectangle like this. So after creating a rectangle you can change the color into any you want. After that click on Ctrl T and while clicking Ctrl Shift, move your rectangle to the right like this. So after that click on the tick button right here, and as the next step you should duplicate a rectangle. So to do that, while clicking on Alt, drag your rectangle to the right. So as you can see, a new rectangle comes. So then you need to change the color of this rectangle. So to do that, click on U key. So after when we click U key, it directs you to the rectangle tool again. After that, you can change the color from here. So I changed it, and go to the move tool and take your rectangle to the right using the arrow keys. So as the next step you should duplicate this two. While clicking the Alt key, duplicate this to the right and click U, change the color. Okay. So as you can see, our three rectangles aren't on the middle. So to middle them, you should click on the rectangle 1, copy 2 first, and click on the rectangle 1 while clicking on shift. After that you can move all three rectangles like this. Okay, at the next step you should deselect them, but so you can still see these areas are still not filled. So to do that you should duplicate these rectangles like this. So give it a color, click U and change the color. Click on OK. After that move it to the right, to your right. As the next step and do it to the same to the other one. So after that, take it to your left a bit. So as the next step, we should you should select the first rectangle and take it to the top like this. Choose the second one, take it to the second, place. Third one, take it to the third place. Fourth one, take it to the fourth place, and keep the fifth one at the last. So what we should do next is adding a shadow to our rectangles. So to do that, click on the first rectangle, double click on it, and go to drop shadow, and you can change the things right here as you want. So okay, so now you can see that my first rectangle have a shadow, so it's very hard to do it for the other rectangle, so I'm gonna do a trick. So today I'm going to choose copy style, and after that choose rectangle 1, and choose rectangle 1 copy 3 using shift, and right click on it and click paste layer style. So you can see the all other rectangles also have the shadow. As the next step, we should add photos to this. So to do that, I'm gonna go to my files and add photos like this. So I add this here. Perfect. Take it here to the right side like this. And after that, right click on it. You just need to click on create mapping mask. So as you can see, the photo went inside. So as the next step, you should choose the next rectangle and add the photo like this. So adjust it. Like this. And after that, click on create flipping. After that, just select the third rectangle and add this here. Adjust it. And after that, click on create flipping mask. Adjust the mask like this. So perfect. Select do the same to all others. So after doing all this will just look perfect. So if you like this video, don't forget to subscribe to my channel and put a comment in the comment box. Thank you for watching. Peace.